morning, guys. What's going on? What's happening? I'm in Niagara Falls, and we're gonna be getting ready to go over to the falls, do a couple adventures. I think before that, though, we're gonna go check out Alex's high school where he went to high school. Morning, everyone.
Morning.
How we all doing? So we're in St. Paul downtown, which is a little farther away from Niagara Falls. And we're gonna go have some donuts for breakfast. So I got the French toast, and at this place they make fresh donuts in the back. Super excited to have some. My sister's been hyping this place up, so let's see. So we're at Alex's high school. Check this place out.
Wow.
Crazy, and we're gonna have our donuts here.
What is that?
That is the lemon blueberry.
I'm about to go flying in a helicopter with Alex and my dad. Let's go flying. We just saw Niagara Falls from up there. Now we're gonna see it from down here. And welcome to the Corn Loaf. Bring on the mist. This was awesome. Okay, we're about to go ziplining. We have VIP access thanks to the Nativics who have been hooking us up with all the excursions that we've done today. Amazing, and I'm pretty excited for this.
3 and 4.
Thank you. We're about to head to the top now, switching to GoPro now. Thank you so much, Lisa.
Thank you, Lisa.
I had such a fun time up there. This trip, I've gone outside the box. For the first time in my life, I did helicopter tour. I went on a zip line. In a very long time, I haven't done that. And I did karaoke, which I haven't done since I was like 8. So we came to another stop, the Whirlpool. We're back at the Nativics place. And we're about to watch some Who is America, which I definitely recommend. It's with Sacha Baron Cohen, and he like disguises as other people, and he goes into places, and it's very funny. And we're gonna be watching some of that. But in the meantime, guys, remember to dream, inspire, energy. Good night.